Draw and correct.
Let's learn letter L.
L for lion.
The lion opened its huge mouth and roared.
The lion opened its huge mouth and roared.
L for locomotive.
L for locomotive.
This locomotive runs upon electricity.
This locomotive runs upon electricity.
L for ladybug.
L for ladybug.
Ladybug has some black points on its back.
Ladybug has some black points on its back.
L for lemon.
L for lemon.
A ripe lemon is yellow.
A ripe lemon is yellow.
L for library.
L for library.
The library is in the center of the town.
The library is in the center of the town.
L for lamp.
L for lamp.
The lamps are lighted up all of a sudden.
The lamps are lighted up all of a sudden.
Please like and subscribe.